Look at that. That's her ringtone. Watch. I don't have any. I am out. Because it happens. Sorry honey, but I already got plans. I mean, I'm taking off right now, going somewhere else. Somewhere? Somewhere where I can't really help you get what you need right now. I'm not burning any bridges. You know, you want something and I can't get it for you. You know, and I don't have the time for it right now. Yes, dear, you'll get over it. Seriously? Okay, here we go. Yes, dear. Well, dear, I already have a plan and I don't plan on breaking it. I have to make some calls, but, you know, in between you calling me, you know, it's going to be really hard to. Because you're still calling me. So apparently you're not listening to me. Huh? Who's what? I don't know. It's probably a ghost. If it's anyone laughing, it's me. Anyway, listen, let me get back to you. Let me get back to you on that later. I gotta go do some shit.
God damn, but
Really?